The fuel filter is attached to a length of fuel line in the fuel tank. The filter can move freely in the tank, so it stays submerged when the tool is tipped. The filter removes debris from the fuel so it doesn't enter and clog the carburetor. Over time, the fuel filter will become clogged with debris, which will restrict the flow of fuel to the engine. This can result in an engine that is hard to start, starts and dies, or won't start at all. Replacing the fuel filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before you perform any repairs on your tool's fuel system, be sure to dump the fuel from the tank. I'll begin by removing the fuel cap from the fuel tank. Next, I need to fish the fuel filter out of the tank. To do that, I'll use a piece of wire that I've shaped into a hook. I'll insert the wire hook into the tank, wrap it around the fuel line, and then pull the line and filter out of the tank. Now I can remove the fuel filter from the fuel line. As I do this, I'll be careful to not lose the fuel clip. Now I can install the new fuel filter. I'll position the clip on the fuel line so it's about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the line. Then I'll hold it in place as I insert the nipple into the fuel line. With the filter reinstalled to the line, now I'll insert it back into the tank. And I'll finish by reinstalling the fuel cap. And that's how easy it is to replace your small engine's fuel filter. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.